Now we are going to learn about agranulocytes. Cytoplasmic granules are absent in agranulocytes. So in granulocytes, cytoplasmic granules were present, and here nucleus of these cells is not divided into lobes. They are of two types. First, lymphocytes. They constitute about 30% of the total leukocytes. They are small spherical cells with large spherical nucleus. So leukocytes, the leukocyte cells, it constitutes like 30% in them, and they have spherical nucleus. They are small spherical cells with large spherical nucleus and scanty peripheral cytoplasm. They have cytoplasm, but they don't have cytoplasmic granules. There are functionally of two types of lymphocytes. First is B lymphocytes, then second is T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes are for antibodies, they produce antibodies, and T lymphocytes are for immunological reactions. Now what are immunological reactions? The reactions which defend themselves from harmful substances. If a harmful substance enters the body, they defend it, and like they maintain the immune system of the body. Some lymphocytes live for only few days while others survive for many years. Now monocytes. They constitute about 5.3% of the leukocytes. First we saw in the lymphocytes that they constitute about a 30% in the leukocytes, and now here monocytes, they constitute 5.3% in the leukocytes. The nucleus is kidney shaped. There the nucleus was in spherical shape. Here it is in kidney shaped or reniform. They are largest motile phagocytes. They engulf bacteria and cellular debris or waste. They differentiate into macrophages when they enter the connective tissue. Okay, so they are the large phagocytic cells. They are in kidney shaped, and when they enter the connective tissues, they differentiate into macrophages. From the phagocytic cells, they become macrophages when they enter the connective tissues, and they are large. Nucleus is kidney shaped. They constitute 5.3% in the leukocytes. Now, the last topic of the formed elements, blood platelets. They are colorless, non nucleated, round or over biconvex. In RBCs, that is red blood corpuscles or erythrocytes, we saw that they are biconcave. Here it is in biconvex shape. This number of platelets per cubic mm of blood is about 2,50,000 to 4,50,000. First, RBCs were in millions, that is 5 million in man and 4.5 million in women. Then later, WBCs were in thousands, 6,000 to 10,000 in a human. And now this is in lakhs, 2,50,000 to 4,50,000. They are formed from giant megakaryocytes produced in the red bone marrow. Even the even the red blood cells like the erythropoiesis were formed in the red bone marrow. By fragmentation, the average lifespan of the blood platelets is about 5 to 9 days. In RBCs, it was 120 days. Here, it is 5 to 9 days. They secrete thromboplastin and play an important role in blood clotting. And the cells of these red blood platelets, as we learned, are fibrinogen and prothrombin and also anticoagulant heparin. So these are thromboplastins and play an important role in blood clotting. Thromboplastin plays an important role in blood clotting. Blood clotting in the sense, if we get hurt, then it then it heals quickly. That is called blood clotting. They adhere to the damaged endothelial lining of the capillaries and seal minor vascular openings. So what they are formed of giant megakaryotes, as we know. They are 2,000 to 2 lakhs to 50,000 to 4 lakhs to 50,000 in a human. Their average lifespan is 5 to 9 days, and they are formed from the red bone marrow, and also they secrete thromboplastin, which helps in blood clotting. They have vascular openings. So that's it. We are done with the formed elements of blood.